Two houses burned into ashes after a gas cylinder caught fire while cooking at home on the occasion of Manasa Puja. Fire engine vehicle arrived at the incident place immediately after the information. Incident took place at Udaipur Sonamura town area.
On Friday, the family members of Vishwajit Shil from Udaipur town Sonamura were in a busy schedule cooking food items and doing preparation for the occasion of Manasa Puja. At that moment, two houses burned down into ashes after a gas cylinder caught fire while cooking. Fire engine vehicle arrived at the incident place immediately after the information. However, before the fire engine vehicle could reach the location, Vishwajit Shil house was already burned down. Fire service personnel managed to extinguish the fire. However, nothing was left from the house.
এর নাম কি? আনুমানিক কয়টা ঘর?
এটা বিশ্বজিৎ শীল নামে বা হের বাড়িতে পূজা চলাকালীন রান্নার ঘর থেকে আগুনটা লাগে। এখন মোটামুটি আগুন নিয়ন্ত্রণে আইসে পুজো জিনিসপত্রটি অনেকটা নষ্ট হচ্ছে।
আনুমানিক কয়টা গ্যাসের সিলিন্ডার থেকে নাকি?
এটা আমরা ঠিক মতো দেখছি না, কোনো আনুমানিক 3টা মতো হইব, 3-4টা মতো হইব।
The occasion of Manasa Puja got ruined because of the incident of a person. Two houses were burned down into ashes within a minute of time in such an auspicious day. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.